very special treat. When I was studying to be a rabbi, I was part of a singing group called the No Notes. It was myself and one other person, my friend Josh. And the reason why we called it that is because we always sang a flat. Okay, laugh, that's funny. Thank you very much. All right? I have another group of much more talented young people who are going to help me with a song that I was taught in the 1980s by my youth advisor, who formed a group that is known world over called Shlock Rock. Lenny Solomon actually called me today. He happens to be in Queens visiting his mom. He lives in Israel, right near one of Ellie's and my children. And so I'd like to have the 3rd and 4th graders please come and line up. But I'm going to ask everyone to inch back a little bit. All right, guys, come on. Noah, can you guys just scooch back a little bit?
Ow, my God.
Yeah. Okay. Everyone line up.
Restart.
Line up straight lines. Okay.
You got this, all right?
And then I saw a man who looked the same way too. I was quite relieved to find out how you. I asked the man I saw how many Jews in this town. He said to me there used to be a million around, but one of us passed away and we've been feeling down. Yet now it seems as though another Jew has been found. Won't you stay with us for Shabbos, Minyan man? We walked down Winston Avenue, a block then 2 more, and went into a shop that lay closed on the door. There was a minion in the back of a hardware store. 9 men waiting for one more. We ushered in the Shabbos with a beautiful song. The doesn't have a voice that was clear and strong. We sang out as one, all Shabbos long. Sunlight came again, I had to moving on. I asked the man I saw how many Jews in this town. He said to me there used to be a million around, but one of us passed away and we've been feeling down. Yet now it seems as though another Jew has been found. Won't you stay with us for Shabbos, Minyan man? Now that was 10 years ago and the vision is clear. And I think about every night the place is still deal. And when I make this trip with Mama once every year, I remember the men who prayed here. Now the minion is gone, a few died, some moved on. The back of the store still remembers the song. The 9 men who waited, the one came along. Now Shabbos would carry on a song.